Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Newly unsealed surveillance video shows reggae star Buju Banton and undercover officers with a brick of cocaine at a Sarasota Sarasota police-owned warehouse in Florida during a controversial sting operation. Banton, whose given name is Mark Mary, is set to be released from prison in December this year. We have more in this report.
The video released by ABC News has been making the rounds on social media. According to ABC News, the video offers a complete account of how Banton ended up in a U.S. prison convicted for his role in a conspiracy to sell cocaine. It shows a meeting with Banton, his friend Ian Thomas, as well as Alex Johnson, who was an informant for the Drug Enforcement Administration and other law enforcement agencies. The meeting took place at a warehouse in Florida, which was owned by the Sarasota Police Department, and it had been outfitted with 4 hidden cameras. When Banton and Thomas walked in, Johnson introduced them to an undercover police officer posing as a drug supplier. "While you're in here, I want to show you some goods," Johnson told them. According to the ABC report, Johnson hid 20 kilograms of cocaine in the back of an SUV. He pulled out 1 brick of the drug and handed it to Thomas, who walked with the package to a nearby table. Here's Thomas cutting into the cocaine, then a brief conversation between the men. Then shortly after, Thomas got on the phone with a contact he said was in Georgia looking to buy.
"Yeah, man, come on up, man, and we can talk. Yeah, come up and talk. Man, if you want to come, you want to come this evening, man, I'm here."
In the video, Banton also spoke about trust.
If as long as everything is straight, man, trust me, it can happen.
Junior, one.
That's my thing. As long as you good, I know he's good, he know I'm good.
Okay,
And I know that guy's good, because you know what? You're not going to see him. All you're going to see is me.
The full video is about 11 minutes long. It ends with the men, including Banton, leaving the warehouse. This video from inside the warehouse was played during Banton's trial and then sealed by the court indefinitely. U.S. officials objected to its release because it contained images of an undercover detective and a confidential informant. But after arguing in a letter to the court that the public had a right to see the video, ABC News persuaded a judge to unseal it. Despite what the video showed, authorities said they were not prepared to take anyone into custody on the day of that warehouse meeting. Banton will be released from prison on December 8 this year.